You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper.
Good morning, beautiful person. I hope that you're having a great day so far. Currently, I am just cooling down because I just did a workout. So I am going to go ahead and clean up a little bit. I wanted to show you guys a few items that I picked up yesterday at Michael's for the wedding later. So I wanted to show you guys some of that, and then I do want to show you guys some of the outfits that I picked out for our engagement shoot. It's gonna be this coming Monday, so very excited about that. I also want to look up some devotional sort of books. I'm currently charging my Kindle so I can take a look at that because I'm really trying to get back into my faith. So we're gonna do that. And then today I believe we're going to go over to Spencer's house, and I think we are going to just do a little bit of cooking, just hang out a little bit, watch a movie maybe, and stuff like that. And then we'll probably eat dinner together and probably come back. So it's gonna be a pretty laid back day, but I wanted to spend the day with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy being with me today as much as I'm going to enjoy being with you. Okay guys, so we switched places here. I'm currently on the floor because I want to show you guys the stuff that I picked up at Michael's, but I'm drinking just some regular water with the cup that I made. It's tumbler. I ordered it on Amazon, and I just went ahead and put Mrs. Hibden because that is going to be my new last name once we're married. I was gonna put future, but then I was like, then I'll only be able to use it for a year, so I'm gonna get more bang for my buck this way. So yeah, I just did it with permanent Cricut vinyl, so I'll be sipping on that. Let me go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up at Michael's. So I'm very excited about this actually. So I picked up the longer Cricut mats. So that's going to be super fun. So I did have these before. These are like the little 12 by 12 ones, I believe. Yeah, 12 by 12. And I have the green, blue, and purple mat. Personally, I always use the green one. I need to get out of that habit though, because each mat is meant for a different thing, and I always just use the green one. So I have that, but I did pick up the longer mats because I thought these would be great. These are also the green, purple, and blue ones. I just thought these would be great for like bigger signs because I do want to like customize all of our signs because I'm trying to save as much money as possible on this wedding. So I thought maybe we could be like welcome, like the welcome sign and all of that stuff. I thought those would be good. And then Michael's was having their lowest prices of the season sale, so everything was 40% off. So we did take advantage of a few things here. So I also had some vouchers that I used because I had a pickup order, and then I bought stuff in the store as well. So I also picked up these micro dots. So these are little glue dots. So they're just like a little, what is it? A glue runner, just to kind of help me out because our invitations are going to be smaller. So like these bigger glue dots aren't going to work. So I picked up some smaller ones for later. And then I also picked up this, which guys, I used a $20 voucher on this. And wow, oh wow. So I picked up the deep point blade. So I'm going to need this later for when I make my invitations. And I just got it now because I had that voucher. So we have that. And like invitations aren't due for like another 6 months or so. But hey, it's okay. I also picked up a smart vinyl. So we picked up this white one because like I said, everything was 40% off. I picked up another smart vinyl. These are the removable vinyl because this is what I'm thinking of using for my signs. So I got some of that. And then I also got some of this vinyl. This is the permanent glossy vinyl. So I got this like lilac color, and then I got this light pink color. I've owned the light pink one before, but I got those two, which are gonna be super cute because they're their colors that like we're using, and just for like little like thank you gifts or whatever later on, I picked those up. If not, I'll go ahead and use them for my own projects. And then I did pick up these two iron-ons, so I picked up pink and white. So I thought these would be really good for when we do the whatchamacallits, like the robes and stuff when we order them. Like this is what we're gonna use later. I was trying to think a little bit ahead because I know not everything's always gonna be 40% off, but I didn't want to go too crazy where I was like, oh, sorry about that, guys. Spencer is texting me. It's almost 11:11. But yeah, I got all of that, just, you know, thinking in advance, but not trying to like buy too much, if that makes sense. And then I did also get this transfer tape. So I got another one of those because transfer tape is just really important when you're cricketing and like doing projects and stuff. And then I also got this little Celebrate It silicone candy mold. So I know this is candy mold, but I'm thinking of using it for like little treats for the pups and for Deku Bear, just all the doggies. You know, just make a little treat for them, like a little frozen treat, and give it to them. I thought that would be so cute, so I picked these up. But yeah, that's what we got at Michael's.
But planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Okay, so just a quick little preview of our engagement shoot outfits. I am going to do a video just dedicated to this and include it in the wedding series, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek because Spencer has his outfits as well, and they're so cute and they match. Well, they don't match exactly, but they're very like coordinated. But I have this really nice red dress, super cute, right? It's by the brand BB. I got all three of these at Ross. No, wait, did I get this one at Marshall's? I might have gotten this one at Marshall's actually. So this one at Marshall's and the other two at Ross. But this is just like a long, like silky dress. So that's going to be more of like our formal outfit. We didn't want to go too formal because I love to dress up, but Spencer's a little bit more casual. So I thought we would kind of meet in the middle. And then I picked up this outfit here. This one's like going to be like our super casual outfit. So here's a little dress. It's really cute. I also have a slip for underneath. And then last but not least, we have this dress, which I absolutely adore. This one is just a black, like, nice, like, slip dress. I don't know what these are called, actually. I don't think it's a slip dress. It's just, like, a nice, like, black dress. And it, like, has this, like, ribbon around. So, yeah, it's really cute. And I really like the way that this one looks on me. So those are our three outfits, and that was just a little sneak peek though. If you guys really want to see everything, I will have that video up as soon as possible. But I'm pretty sure this one's going to be up before the engagement shoot one is. Okay guys, here's the little outfit. I just got out of the shower, so I have like this little top and these little shorts. They're fuzzy on the inside. I know it's really hot in California, but I'm gonna be mostly indoors, so I thought this would be nice because I do get cold. And yeah, there's the outfit. I have some hoop earrings on, little ones, and then I have my little hunter slides that I need to wash. I read a little bit this morning. I'm still currently sipping on my water, so I have to finish this very soon. But I do have a special guest that is here already. Can you guys guess who it is? Guys, look at my fiance. You know what he's doing? He's playing Maple Story, like the nerd that he is. Just kidding. I love you, babe. But yeah, there's a special guest, guys.
Who's a special guest?
You.
Oh, I'm a special guest.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm about to probably grab something to eat, and then we're probably gonna head out, right, babe?
There's something different about us.
We're attempting to make puppy popsicles. So we looked up a recipe, and they wanted a banana, some chicken broth, and then some blueberries. So our mold isn't that big, which I think this banana is still too big for this, but it's okay. We're gonna make that. And Spencer's trying to figure out the blender situation. Hi guys, so we're here. I am making the puppies some popsicles. They're in the freezer right now. We are going to make chicken pesto pasta because that is Spencer's favorite. We were gonna add some broccoli to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. But after that, we're probably just gonna hang out for a little bit and then head back home. It's gonna be pretty laid back.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it.
Pup.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
Maybe it's too cold for him.
Even if what we're doing is bad,
That's a little better.
there's no any
Gotta hold it for him.
sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real.
You like this in me?
I think we're searching for
It's just too cold for him to want to eat.
not to be like
It's too big. There we go. Gotta hold it for him.
we fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart.
He loves ice. I used to give him ice a lot when he was more of a puppy.
Well, Cinnamon liked it. He was just struggling a little bit.
Maybe it's a little too big for him. Yeah, he's a little big.
So I am back home. I'm here with my babies. So, right now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Kindle because it looks like it's fully charged. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna try to see if I can find a few books. I'm just going to change into my pajamas. Maybe I'll find a show. I might finish watching the Book of Boba Fett. We started watching it yesterday. So Spencer said I could finish it on my own because he really wants to watch Obi-Wan. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You can watch that one, I'll watch this one. I mean, we're gonna watch everything together, but just because he had more interest in that one and I had more interest in this one, so I'm probably gonna do a little bit of that, or maybe I'll find a movie or something to watch on Disney Plus. And yeah, I'm just gonna wind down. I might watch some YouTube videos. I've been really into like registry videos lately, so I might do that. That's probably Spencer telling me he's home. But yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the night. Just wind down a little bit, relax. You know, it's been a really nice day today, honestly. We just got to relax, and it was just really, really nice. Much needed. And tomorrow I am going to probably have another relaxing day, which is nice because we're always like on the move, on the run. So we might get a little bit of wedding planning done. Don't know yet. But yeah, I am just really excited to be back home. I can get into my jammies and just hop in bed and be with my babies.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are.
Guys, I am about to go to sleep. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I really appreciate you guys. But I am ready to just have some amazing dreams, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. And guys, I really love the new book that I started. It's called Scripting the Life You Want. I had to stop though because the lighting is not the best in my room and I don't want to strain my eyes. So I'm really excited to read that tomorrow, and tomorrow's gonna be such a good day. I'm very excited. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that I get to see your beautiful face in my next one. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beautiful person. Good night for me and the babies.
There's something different about the way we are.